Imagine looking up at the night sky, countless stars, distant and shimmering. For millennia, we've seen them as unreachable. But what if some could be future homes? Humanity has always been driven to explore, to ask, what if we could bring life to those distant orbs? Today, that dream is closer than ever, thanks to revolutionary technology terraforming pods. These sophisticated devices could redefine our future, making the impossible possible. They represent hope for expanding beyond Earth, for healing our planet, and for our species' survival. The universe is vast, but so is human ingenuity. Terraforming pods are a testament to our drive to innovate and create. Why do they matter? Because our future may depend on them. They offer solutions to climate change and satisfy our need for new frontiers. Join me as we explore these world-altering machines. Let's discover how they might sculpt new realities. The cosmos is waiting for us to engage. Are we ready to answer its call? Let's begin our journey into the future of planetary transformation. The adventure starts now. So, what are terraforming pods? Think of them as cosmic gardeners tending to new worlds. They're highly sophisticated, fully automated systems designed to transform entire environments. Their mission: make inhospitable places livable for life. Each pod is a compact powerhouse packed with advanced technology. More than machines, they're self-contained miniature ecosystems. Ready to be deployed to distant planets, they carry the building blocks of life. Imagine a capsule landing on a barren world, springing to life. It analyzes its surroundings, then releases engineered microbes or alters the atmosphere. Patient and persistent, it's the first step in a long journey. These pods are adaptable, designed to work in extreme conditions, from icy moons to scorching deserts. They're versatile tools for a monumental task. The universe offers many canvases for their work. Each pod carries a blueprint for a habitable world. They're more than hardware. They're the seeds of new beginnings. With every deployment, they bring us closer to new frontiers. Terraforming pods are the vanguard of planetary transformation. The future of exploration starts with them. How do these pods achieve such monumental change? The science is complex, but the principle is simple. They trigger a controlled cascade of changes, a domino effect that transforms a planet. First, the pod assesses its environment: temperature, radiation, soil, water. This data shapes its strategy. No two worlds are the same. Some pods release extremophiles, microbes that thrive in harsh conditions, processing toxins or producing oxygen. Others deploy nanobots to restructure soil or release trapped water. The process is gradual, not instant. Pods work in networks, sharing data and adjusting strategies for optimal results. Over time, small changes accumulate, leading to breathable air or fertile ground. It's about guiding natural processes, not forcing them. The goal: awaken a new, living world. Science fiction is becoming reality, one step at a time. These pods are patient agents of change. Their impact grows with every cycle, every season. The dream of a new Eden is within reach. Terraforming is a marathon, not a sprint. And it all starts with a single pod. Consider Mars, cold, arid, with a thin atmosphere, yet a potential second home. Terraforming pods could be the key to making this dream real. Imagine them landing across the Martian plains, seeds of change on rusty soil. Their first task: warming the planet by releasing greenhouse gases to trap the sun's warmth. Others vaporize subsurface ice, thickening the atmosphere and shielding the surface. Next, specialized pods cultivate engineered lichen or cyanobacteria to produce oxygen. Slowly, the Martian sky could shift from red to blue, and liquid water might flow again. This process would take decades, even centuries. But the vision is clear: a Mars with rivers, lakes, and thriving plants. A Mars where humans could walk freely, without bulky suits. Terraforming pods are the pioneers of this Martian spring. They embody our ability to dream and to achieve. The red planet's transformation begins with them. Terraforming technology isn't just for distant planets. It has vital uses here on Earth. Desertification and climate change threaten our landscapes. Imagine pods deployed in deserts, injecting nutrients and introducing drought-resistant plants. They could restore water cycles and create microclimates, turning barren land into productive zones. This is practical restoration, not just a dream. It's about working with nature to heal what's been damaged. Terraforming pods offer a path to ecological renewal and a greener planet. Stewardship of Earth starts with innovation. The impact of terraforming pods goes beyond transforming planets. It shapes our future. They make space colonization more feasible, opening new worlds for human settlement. Imagine habitable zones on the moon, or the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Pods create starter kits for life, reducing our reliance on Earth. Back home, they help sequester carbon, scrub pollutants, and restore ecosystems. These tools empower us to explore space and heal Earth. It's a dual promise: expansion and stewardship. The future demands both vision and responsibility. With terraforming pods, we're ready for both. The universe beckons, filled with worlds waiting for life. Terraforming pods mark a paradigm shift. No longer are we passive observers. We become gardeners of planets, cultivating life across the galaxy. With this power comes great responsibility. We must wield it wisely, understanding the consequences. The future could see humanity as a multi-planetary species, cherishing Earth even more. Imagine new ecosystems, new biospheres, woven into a cosmic tapestry. These machines are symbols of our curiosity and drive to explore. The cosmos awaits our engagement. With terraforming pods, we're ready to reach beyond our limits. Our journey among the stars is just beginning. The adventure is ours to shape. Let's embrace the future, one world at a time.